the fact that half the cars sold in China last month came with plugs dangling from the end is an extraordinary part of this story. There's
And they're
no
not going back,
story.
right? It's not like it's going to dip below 50%. It's only going
No.
up from here. Yeah.
I mean, once you've built the infrastructure, I mean, these are the story is these are better machines. You know,
absolutely.
an electric vehicle is a better. I've driven one for years. I would never go back for anything. Nor would I get rid of the heat pump in my house and replace it with a furnace and an air conditioner. This is better stuff that also happily happens to be better for the world. Any story about global oil demand 10 years down the road depends on everybody in China deciding they want to drive, I don't know what, a Bronco or something with a gas tank. And that's just not going to happen.
Yeah, which they would have to pay like 40, 50,000 bucks for, especially after like the tariffs the other way. And then like the electric vehicles in China are down to $10,000, $15,000 for like a really, really nice car.
For 12 grand, you can buy a car that does stuff American cars can't do. The future now, sadly, gets written at the Shanghai Auto Show, not the Detroit Auto Show. And all of this, I will just add, as a patriotic American, pisses me off.
Yeah.
I grew up in Lexington, Massachusetts. My summer job was giving tours of the Battle Green, where the American idea was first defended.
I've been there.
Blood.
It's a great site, by the way. I loved it there. It was awesome.
And the fact that the country that invented the solar cell and the country that invented the lithium-ion battery is just surrendering. It's not that China's going to eat our lunch. It's we're catering the lunch. We're sending over a bunch of waiters in red caps to serve lunch to the Chinese. And it is absolutely maddening and should be to any red-blooded American to watch that happen.